Have you ever wondered how to create a Gmail account? It seems complicated, doesn't it? Well, fret no more because today, we're diving into the world of Gmail, one of the most popular and widely used email services in the world. It's more than just an email account, it's your gateway to a plethora of Google services like Google Docs, Google Drive, and YouTube. It's a key that unlocks a world of digital possibilities. But how does one create a Gmail account? It's not rocket science, and that's exactly what we're going to show you today. We've simplified the process into a step-by-step guide. We'll walk you through each stage, from navigating to Gmail, right through to finalizing your account setup. Now, you might be a tech wizard or you might be a complete beginner, but fear not, this guide is made easy for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own Gmail account without any hurdle. The first step in setting up a Gmail account is navigating to the right place. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this. One of the simplest methods is to type the URL directly into your web browser. All you need to do is type in www.gmail.com and hit enter. But don't worry if you're not too comfortable with typing URLs. There's another easy way. You can use a search engine like Google to find Gmail. Just type Gmail into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a list of search results and the first one should be the Gmail homepage. Simply click on it and you'll be taken straight there. Remember, it doesn't matter which method you choose. Both will lead you directly to the Gmail homepage, so choose the one that feels most comfortable for you. And voila, you've successfully navigated to the Gmail homepage. Now you're on the Gmail homepage, what's next? Well, let's keep this ball rolling. Your eyes should be drawn to a button that says Create Account. It's usually found on the top right corner of the page. It's like a beacon, calling you to start your journey into the world of Gmail. Create Account. Such simple words. But they hold the promise of a world filled with communication, organization, and convenience. When you click on this button, a new page will appear. This is the sign-up form, where you'll begin to craft your personal digital identity. This form is your first step to creating your own Gmail account. It's like your digital passport, granting you access to a world of information and connecting you to millions of people worldwide. Don't worry, it's straightforward, and we're going to walk through it together in the next scene. With a simple click, you're one step closer to having your own Gmail account. Now comes the part where you tell Google a little about yourself. Diving in, the first thing you'll see are two boxes, one for your first name and one for your last. It's pretty straightforward. Just type in your first name in the box that says first, and your last name in the box that says last. Remember, Google values authenticity, so it's best to use your real name. Next up, you'll need to choose your email address. This is the address that your friends, family, and colleagues will use to send you emails. So you want it to be something that's easy to remember and represents you well. You could use your name, a nickname, or something that reflects your interests or profession. The choice is yours. Just type it into the box that says username. But hold on, what if the address you want is already taken? Don't worry, Google's got you covered. If the username you've chosen is not available, Google will suggest some alternatives. You could also come up with a unique combination by adding numbers or periods. So, don't be disheartened if your first choice is taken. There are plenty of fishes in the sea. Now let's move on to the password. This is a crucial part of your account setup. Your password is like a digital key to your account, and you certainly don't want to hand over your keys to the wrong person. So make sure it's something secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong. And don't forget to confirm your password in the next box. Lastly, Google will ask for your phone number and a recovery email address. These are optional, but highly recommended. They will help you recover your account if you ever forget your password, or if your account is compromised. So it's a good safety net to have. Remember, your password should be something secure and memorable. Google likes to double-check it's really you. Let's walk through how to do that. We've all experienced those moments where we need to prove we're not a robot. It's like a digital test of our humanity, isn't it? And Google is no different. After all, they want to ensure that it's really you creating the account and not some bot or impersonator. So how do we do this? It's a process called phone verification. This is a security measure that helps Google confirm that the person creating the account is indeed a real, live human being. Plus, it adds an extra layer of protection for your account. The process is straightforward. When you're asked for a phone number, you enter your mobile number. Be sure to include the correct country code if you're outside the United States. After you've entered your phone number, you'll be prompted to click Next. Now here's where the magic happens. Google will send a unique code to your mobile number. It's like receiving a secret password straight from Google itself. This code typically arrives in the form of a text message, though some may receive it as a voice call. Once you receive the code, you'll need to enter it into the provided field on the screen. This code is your ticket to proving your humanness to Google. It's important to note that these codes are time-sensitive, so you'll want to enter it as soon as you receive it. After you've entered the code, click Verify. If the code is correct, Google will acknowledge that it's really you. It's like passing a digital ID check. If the code doesn't work, don't worry. You can always request a new one. Remember, this is all to ensure the security and authenticity of your account. And just like that, you've completed the phone verification process. A few simple steps, a little bit of patience, and voila. You're one step closer to your new Gmail account. And with that, Google knows you're not a robot. You're almost there, just a few more steps. Now that the phone number has been verified, we're on the final leg of our journey to create a Gmail account. The next step is to agree to Google's terms of service. This is a crucial step, not just for Gmail, but for any online service you sign up for. It's always a good idea to read through these terms to understand what they entail. However, we understand that these documents can be long and filled with legal jargon. To put it simply, these terms outline the rules you agree to follow as a user of Gmail, as well as how Google will use and protect your data. Once you've read through the terms, or at least scrolled to the bottom, you'll see an I agree button. Click on this button to move forward. If you disagree with the terms, you can choose not to proceed, but this means that you won't be able to create a Gmail account. After you've agreed to the terms, Google will take a moment to set up your account. This process usually takes just a few seconds, but may take a bit longer depending on your internet speed. Don't be alarmed if it does, it's just Google doing its thing to create a safe and secure space for your emails. Once your account is set up, Google will take you to your new Gmail inbox. It's a clean slate ready for you to start receiving and sending emails. Here's a tip. Before you dive into using your new Gmail account, take a moment to go through the settings. You can customize your inbox, set up an email signature, and adjust privacy settings to your liking. Remember, this is your Gmail account, make it work for you. Congratulations, you now have your very own Gmail account. It's a simple process, but one that opens up a world of opportunities for communication, organization, and much more. Enjoy your new Gmail account? Let's take a moment to recap what we've accomplished today. We've navigated our journey from the very beginning, the leap to Gmail's homepage. From there, we stepped into the Create Account section, a door that opens up to a world of unlimited communication possibilities. Next, we dove into filling out personal information, a crucial step that personalizes your Gmail account. This is where you plant your digital footprint, making sure your account truly represents you. Then we verified our phone number, a security measure that keeps your account safe and secure. Think of it as a virtual lock for your digital mailbox. Finally, we wrapped up by finalizing the account setup. This was the moment where all the puzzle pieces came together to form your very own Gmail account. So let's keep this momentum going. Go ahead, practice these steps, create your account, and explore the Gmail universe. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Gmail account.